Can you believe this is the desert? Green, green, green. Life. When you walk through the desert, you have to walk very carefully and with your eyes on the ground, watching for cacti, especially those jumping cacti. That one right there. Those ones like to jump on you, and once they jump on you, they don't want to let it go easily. Remember I was telling you the jumping cacti? Those. Just walking. I don't even know how you got on me. Ay, ay, ay. I don't know how we're gonna do this. Don't do that to me, okay? So I'm wearing this super good, well-made boots. So they're not gonna go through it, but yeah, I'm wearing boots today, even though it's super hot. Because if you don't wear boots or super strong shoes, you are gonna get a needle. So I'm just wearing leather boots. Hello, my name is Claudia. Learning to live my life. Very simple, just like that. Gosh, nature doesn't cease to just amazing. Can you hear that? How? Hi. I really wanted to take a pass of my adventures and discoveries and explorations to talk, because I've been thinking a lot about you. Too much, actually, to the point that I start questioning, what would you like to see next? What should I do? And the reality is that although I love you, my channel is her soul vacation. What that means is I am sharing the healing of my soul with you. I have realized that most of my life I have been in a survival mode. And now that I have crossed over 50 years of age, I have decided to learn to live my life. I no longer survive it. I want to share with you because you may be going through the same. You may have been there. You may relate somehow to my experiences. I'm getting out of a lot of really bad experiences. Some of them, thank goodness, you may never have the experience. But the point, I think, of that is how to come out. And there's some moments that you don't think you are going to be able to come out. And there are also some times that you don't want to come out because the other side is still very ugly. And there's still the things and the people that hurt you. So why would you want to come out, right? It's when you lose hope. That's what happens when you lose hope. And when you're beaten down a lot in life, it is very difficult to hold onto hope. And some days it's actually impossible. And those days are scary. You feel that no one may understand you or what you're going through. And some people see you what you wear, how you wear your hair, if you have makeup or not. And they judge you based on that, on the accessories that we adorn ourselves with. If we have a tattoo, or if we wear a shirt too short, if we're too old to wear that. Those are the things that some people are concerned about. I am on a different road now, and I have to also say that I may have been one of those people myself. I remember. I guess it's okay that we go through moments where we are less than nice, less than kind, as long as we use those moments to realize when other people are not being nice or kind to us. Perhaps we can remember, you know what? I've been there myself. And I was a little ugly too. So you learn to be forgiving, and you learn to forgive yourself as well. Because I am no longer that person. I am not perfect. I am so far from perfection, and I know that we will never accomplish that, so I don't strive to that for being perfect. I strive to be better than I was, and I feel that every time I feel that I am better than I was, then I have accomplished that goal, and then I want to be better than that and continue to raise my own bar. But it is my own bar. I wanted to take this pass to remind myself that you're probably watching because you relate to something about me, my life, or you may like me, and that's okay too. Who doesn't want to be liked? I'm just like anyone else. I want people to like me, and I want to be accepted just like anyone else. I also want to show and to share how much life there is, regardless of your age. And I also think that someday, far from today maybe, my grandchildren will be interested in watching these videos. So I also think of them, and I want to show them who I am and who I was at that time, because I would give so much to know more about my grandmother, because my grandmother was essential in my well-being as a child. I attribute to her my love of making home in any space I go. I entered the field of interior design inspired by what she showed me what home could be. There's a lot that I haven't shared, and I want to share more. But again, I judge myself a lot, and I think about you too much. I love you and I respect you, but this channel is from my soul to you, and with the hopes that I may serve to somebody that in any capacity, and also to leave a legacy or something for my grandchildren or their children to know about me, because I am the first immigrant that came to the United States with my two little daughters, and so it was 3 of them, and now we are 11. Now it's 11 of us, and I am the beginning. I'm the matriarch of my family in the United States. So I know that even just for history and records, these videos are gonna have a place in the future. That's another reason to keep it really transparent and real and authentic. I wanted to take a pause to soak in this environment. The desert is so gorgeous here where I am. I am going to share all of this with you. But before I keep going, I just wanted to be a little more personable with you, connect more with you. I have feelings for the connections that I have made, and even though I'm a citizen and I have spent here now over half of my life, I was still born and raised in a different culture, and we are more physical and the hugging and the kissing and wanting to be close and fiesta and siesta. I'm very in touch with my feelings. I think a lot. I overthink. I overanalyze. I'm quite critical of myself. But I'm learning. And I'm showing that we can still learn no matter how old we are. Yeah, I have a lot to share. So my channel is a mix of things that I want to remember in my life. Yeah, that's what it is. And things that I overcome and how I overcome them. And this life, even though it is a beautiful life, it is difficult. And it's difficult because you start with, in my case, I started without knowing anything. So most of the time I spend learning everything about the rigs, about doing something, about videotaping, editing, everything that I have done in my channel, everything. I've done it for the first time. I imagine myself in bed like 100 years old and watching this moment. So all of this is very valuable to me. And I wanted to connect with you in a personal way and tell you these things. And I hope now I get the guts to share it, because I usually videotape myself telling you things and then I say, nah, I'm not gonna share that, and I don't. Today I'm gonna be brave and I'm gonna let you watch it or skip through it or do whatever you want. Anyway, blah, 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 no more. I hope that you know that I am sincere when I tell you thank you, that I care about you, and I appreciate you being here, your comments, your interactions with me. Thank you very much. And as always, I would like for you to come for the next one. Ciao, my friend. Ciao. Mwah.